Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to make your Windows taskbar more compact by using small taskbar buttons. If you're looking to save some space or just prefer a cleaner look, this quick and easy guide will help you set it up in no time. Let's get started. Right-click on the taskbar. Select Taskbar Settings. This will open the Taskbar Settings window. Enable Use Small Taskbar Buttons. Look for the option that says Use Small Taskbar Buttons and toggle it on. This will make your taskbar icon smaller, which can free up space and give it a more compact look. That's it. Now you know how to switch to small taskbar buttons on Windows for a cleaner, compact look. If you found this quick tip helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching.